Can you beat the monkey? In his book, Evolve Your Brain, Dr. Joe Dispenza tells a story about taking a multiple choice test when he was a kid. He and the other students were competing to get the best score in chemistry class. But here's where it gets interesting. The same test was also given to a monkey who had no idea what he was doing and would randomly just color in little circles. So then the goal was to not only get the highest score, but to also avoid the humiliation of being beaten by a monkey. Well, as luck would have it, one poor student didn't beat the monkey because he had failed to apply himself. Either that or the teacher didn't provide proper guidance. Whatever the case, he didn't beat the monkey. Now, the monkey in your case, if the test is to get more cash calls and show up higher in search results, is Google's algorithm. But to be fair, Google's a pretty smart monkey. And while no one knows exactly how their algorithm chooses winners and losers, when you've seen the results of trial and error, you get clues. Success leaves clues and tells you what works and what doesn't. What doesn't work is assuming that because you've got a Google business profile, you're all set and you don't need to do anything else. But it's not the case. There's a lot more work to be done. No, you can't beat Google's algorithm, but you can do SEO and take advantage of it. Now, I know it's not easy, and you might have been on the internet searching for ways to get more cash calls. I mean, with the other options for growing your business being motor clubs or auction houses or whatever, that's completely understandable. In fact, I'd question your sanity if you weren't doing that. But if you've reached the limit of your capabilities or just don't have the time to invest in beating the monkey, we can help. So if you need help with your business, go to my website and schedule a call. In the meantime, save this video for later and follow my account for more tips.